think what I like so much about it is that it, oh my God, are you serious right now? It was quiet for a long time. Actually, I got lucky today. I don't even know how these videos are gonna turn out. Honestly, I have no idea. My name's Jillian and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be looking at my favorite cook camping kit. This one is actually made by Stanley. I did not put this together. I know a lot of outdoor enthusiasts are really gung-ho about doing their very own cook camping kit, but honestly this is the one that was kind of pre-made and I absolutely love it. You can see that it's really beat up. I've used it so often, and this one is called the Stanley Camp 24-ounce cook set. And as you can see, it's really beat up. I mean, I've just taken it on every single camping trip so far, and I just absolutely love it when I'm eating especially dehydrated food or when I'm hiking. It's really lightweight and it works great. So, and if you want additional lightness, you can even take out some of the cups if you don't like coffee or anything like that. You can take some of that out and it'd be the lightest thing you've ever used. So I really like this, and I've used it for a number of years, so I'm really glad to be able to share this with you. Again, I am not sponsored. So this is the Stanley Cook Kit. As you can see, it comes with the cup. It's got Stanley in the front, and then it's got all the measurements in the back. These are actually kind of hard to see on the inside, so especially if you're adding, say, like a cup of water, you know, 8 ounces of water or 16 ounces of water, 2 cups of water, just be careful when you're using this. So I'm sorry, it's gonna start getting windy again. I don't know why. Anyways, so it comes with a little lid, a straining lid, so you can actually keep the lid on and strain the water out if you're cooking something like pasta. And then actually on the inside of the cup, it's just for storage. Again, you don't want to use this with these inside, but it comes with 2 plastic cups. So this is actually for making coffee, but I find it equally as helpful. Wow, it's really dirty. Oh my God. These cups actually work great even for, what I do is I like to kind of rehydrate the food by pouring it into those Mountain House bags or whatnot. And then what I do is I just kind of dish it out into these cups if you're sharing, or if you just want to eat out of the bag, or you can dump it back into here and eat out of that. I just like it because it's just a large canister to boil water, and the water boils really fast. And what I really like about this Stanley cup is that it works with those little small collapsible stoves. You know what I'm talking about? I'm going to do a review on the E-Tech City collapsible travel stove, which I brought with me to the Grand Canyon with different fuel. And if you use those, this actually fits on it. So it's just something to keep in mind, that I like this because it fits on nearly every stove that I've had, and it even fits on a charcoal grill. I wouldn't try and boil water on a charcoal grill because it would take forever, but it does work. And you can see the measurements on the inside, but again, it's hard because this isn't see-through, so you just kind of have to like look on the inside and then measure, you know, when you're trying to pour the water in. So just be careful if you're trying to use the measurements on the side of this canister. So, but I really like this Stanley Cook Kit, and that is it. It's about $20 off of Amazon, and I've got the Amazon features here. They're trying to blow away currently. So then in order to do it, you just squeeze the handle in order to flip it back up. So, and it works great. So some of the features, according to Amazon, it says it's got a vented lid, lets you cook on camp stoves or grills, a locking handle that extends for cooking, and that's actually what I really like, is that it locks. And I keep this in kind of an open mesh sack, so it gets banged around a lot and it rattles and it goes and it gets dumped upside down, and you can see it never comes out. So a locking handle folds to save space. 18 by 8 stainless steel, won't rust, naturally BPA free. 2 nesting 10-ounce insulated cups included. Dishwasher safe, and I have washed this in the dishwasher after getting home. And a lifetime warranty. So I haven't been able to use the lifetime warranty yet, but, and it says on here that I've owned this since 2015, which was actually really surprising. June 1st, 2015 is when I bought this. So is what I wrote down. So I think I bought this from Amazon, or no, I bought this from Walmart actually. It was about $15 there, but right now on Amazon this is going for $12.11. So I would get out there and buy this if you haven't yet, or if you just want something simple to keep in your cook set. Again, this works great and I love it, and I just thought I'd make a short little video and have a review of it I'll probably have another video where I'll talk about the grills and the different types of fuel to use, and I'll also talk about kind of comparison, you know, what to use, what to put in your car camping, what to use in camping in general. So thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to hit that like button if you really enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you'd like to subscribe, please feel free to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, or feel free to like my page on Facebook. That's Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh my god, the stupid bug. Seriously?